Hello. In this video I'd like to discuss how feeling bad isn't that bad, and also how we can work through a feeling that we don't want to feel at that moment. So firstly, lots of people will avoid a situation or event if there's a chance that the outcome will result in them feeling bad. So let's just say I get invited to the beach and I'm embarrassed about the way I look, and I'm nervous that someone might tease me or say, "You're so ugly, you shouldn't be at the beach. I shouldn't have to see that horrible body." And then that might make me feel really bad. Well, at that moment, the feeling that has arisen in my body, firstly, it's been created by my reaction to that and my thoughts about what they've said. So if someone says that, if no thought is generated, then no feeling will be generated as a response. But most people will have some thought response to what I've said. They'll say, "Man, that guy shouldn't have said that. It's not his place to tell me I shouldn't be here. And I've got just as much chance, just as much right to be at this beach as he does." Or, "I'm not ugly, I look great." And there's all this resistance, conflict between your thoughts and what they might have said to you. So it's almost like your thoughts are arguing with the memory of what they've said, because they could leave the beach and you might never see them again, but you could be angry for the rest of your day. Your thoughts are kind of debating, like arguing with what has happened. And that will make you feel either angry or sad. You might be frustrated. And as long as the thoughts are continuing, you will feel like that. And I've met people that have been angry and frustrated or sad for years because of the stories that are going around in their head. If they bring their attention back to reality, then the stories stop. So the cause of their feeling, the bad feeling, is now removed. Then you're just left with the feeling. And the feeling on its own cannot last very long. If with your attention in reality, if you're just feeling your feet on the ground or your bum on the seat, and you can feel the energy of the feeling in your body. For example, if you're angry, you might have lots of kind of pent up energy. And if you just accept that is there, whatever feeling is inside you, just accept that it's there. There is actually nothing you can do about the fact that at the moment you feel that way. You don't have a switch in you to switch off that feeling or switch to another feeling. It doesn't exist. So the only thing you can do is accept that that's how you feel at the moment. And when you do that, when you fully accept that it's there, and you've stopped the story about the story creating the feeling, you've removed the cause, and you accept that the feeling is there, the feeling will very quickly just turn back into peace. It's almost like it just deflates, like you've taken the air out of a balloon, and it just turns back into nothing. And that's really the only way through a feeling that you don't want. Even if you've stopped the thoughts about the feeling, lots of people, the thoughts creating the feeling, like let's just say someone says you shouldn't be at the beach. If I say, okay, well, that person said that, I completely accept that he said that, I don't care anymore, but you still feel angry, you can then feel angry about feeling angry, which is a very common thing as well. Lots of people wish they were not feeling sad anymore, so they might be angry that they're sad all the time, or they're sad that they're angry all the time, or an emotion pointed back at another emotion and creating more feeling, more emotion. It's like layers of crappy feelings. And you don't need to work your way through all the causes of all these feelings. All you have to do is accept that at this moment, this is how I feel. Have your attention back in reality, feel the feeling, and feel the reality around you, and accept that everything is the way it is at the moment. There's nothing you can do about any of it. Just accept. And it will very quickly deflate, turn back into peace. That's the only real way through it. So I strongly encourage you to try that. It's a very powerful tool. I hope that helps. Cheers.